Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be explaining the dance step by step and with the counts. And don't worry because this tutorial is mirrored, so feel free to follow me. If I'm speaking too fast or too slow, you can adjust the speed of the video in the YouTube settings. If you want to practice with the music, check the link in the description. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. And if you're ready, let's get started. So the first 8 counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so first we have to go all the way down, bend our knees, look down, and arms are also down. Then we have to jump up like this. So when we jump, we separate our legs, our hands are resting on our hips like this, and we have to roll our chest 2 times. Okay, 1 and 2. The first roll is just rolling normally, and the second roll we have to roll slowly like this. So it's roll and roll. Okay, well done. And when we jump, we have to roll immediately. So after jumping, going down, we go up and roll, roll. Okay, well done. Then on 5, 6, we're going to step with the right first, then step with the left, and our hands like this into fist are going to go like this. First right up, left down, and then switch left up, right down. Just switch rapidly like this. So switch and our legs are going right, left. Okay, hips are going to the right and to the left. All together is fast. 5, 6. And while doing this, we have to tilt our head to the left. Okay, so we switch and step, step. To finish, we have to pose. So right fist is down, left fist with our index finger, we touch our lips like this, and our waist, our hip is going to the right like this. So after switching, we pose and our head is also tilted to the right. Okay, so from this part we go 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, from the beginning, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The next 8 counts are 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to explain the lower body first. So we're going to raise our right leg, you bend it, then you're going to lift your left leg and you're going to stretch it out. So it's right, up, left, up again, right, up, left, up. And please remember that whenever you lift your left leg, you're going to like shake your hip this way, okay, and like kick your leg. Okay, very good. Now for the upper body, our hands are going to be into fist. Left fist is resting on our left hip, and the right fist is just going to go up like boom. Okay, just going up like this while you lift your right leg. So you lift and you go boom, and your head is going to move to the left. Whenever you just go boom, you move to the left. Okay, and before lifting the left leg, you're going to put your hands into fist and cross them. So you cross and open, and then lift your leg. So boom, cross, open, lift left leg. Okay, boom, cross, open, lift left leg. So again, boom, cross, open, lift. And we repeat one more time, boom, but here there's a slight change. Instead of crossing your arm, you're going to place your left hand on top of your forehead and your right hand on your belly and lift your leg. Okay, so let's repeat this part. So it's boom, cross, lift, and boom, lift. Okay, now let's repeat from the very beginning. So from this part, we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, so next is and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Okay, so after doing this, we're going to step with the left and then go what? Palms are looking up like this, and we go what? Then on 2, 3, 4, we're going to put our left hand resting on top of our hip. We're going to be slightly looking to the left, and we're going to step with our right leg 3 times. And we're going to stretch our right arm up, all the way up. Palm is facing to the left side like this, and it's going to go down 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. And at the same time, our head is also going to be tilted to the left 3 times. Okay? So, what? All together? 1, 2, 3. Okay? And after doing this 3 times, we're going to go 5, 6, and 7, 8. Okay? So, after doing this step, we're going to open our legs like this, and we're going to bring out our index fingers pointing to the front, okay, next to our chest like this. Okay, and we're going to look to the left first. Okay, body is all the way to the left, then turn to the right. Okay, fast, turn to the right, then bend down. Okay, flex your knees. So just the same position, but just flex your knees. So from left, right, down. Then we're going to lean forward. Okay, we have to push our hips back, and we're going to clap. Left is up, right is down, and we clap like this. So from the beginning, it's left, right, down, and clap. And after clapping, we're going to repeat the same move we did before, but at the end is going to be a slight change. So instead of doing this, we're going to place our right hand at the back of our head and place the left hand on top of our belly, and we're going to jump 2 times. So it's going to be boom, cross and lift, and boom, jump 2 times. Okay? This was the end of the chorus. Let's repeat from the second half. So 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. The next 8 counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So first we're going to slide to the left. Okay, slowly slide to the left, and our head is going to move left, right, left, and our left hand is going to be resting on our left hip and point with our index finger our mouth and slide to the left. Okay, so it's right, left, right. Then you're going to face the back by jumping while you cross your arms in front of your chest. You're going to jump facing the back. Your body is looking to the right, but your face is going to be looking to the front. Left leg in the front, right leg in the back. And you're going to step left, right, left, right. Then for the hands, you're going to put your right fist, okay, down, make sure it's visible, and then your left hand, you're going to fan yourself with it. So you're going to fan yourself, doesn't matter how many times, just fan yourself constantly. Okay, so look to the front and all together you step left, step right, step left, step right. And for your head, you're going to tilt it all the way to the back while you look to the front and bring it up slowly. Okay, so you bring it up slowly like this, from bottom to the top. Now let's repeat from the beginning. So we slide, then jump, look to the back, and step, step, step. Next is and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and. So for the legs, right is down, but left leg is up. You bend your knee, you put it up, and then when it's up, you're going to stretch it down like this. Stretch your left leg, and then you switch. So you have to lift, okay, while you look to the right like this, then you switch looking to the left. So up, stretch, and switch. You can see the way your right leg also switches to the left. So up, down, and switch. Okay, then you step, step. You're going to step 2 times with your left and right. So from the beginning, up, down, switch, left, right. Then with the right leg is the same thing. You're going to lift and bend your right leg. Then you put it down and switch, look to the right. And step, step, and step again 3 times. So from the beginning, lift your leg, down, switch, step, step. Okay. Then right leg goes up, then down, switch, step, step, step. Okay, one more time. Up, down, switch, step, step, up, down, switch, step, step. A little bit faster. Up, down, switch, step, step, up, down, switch, step, step, step. One more time. Up, down, switch, step, step, up, down, switch, step, step. For your arms, you're just gonna be like resting on top of your hips like this, and just do the move. So it's up, down, switch, step, step, up, down, switch, step, step, step. And for the head, it's a little bit tricky. So your head is going to be tilted down. Okay, when you lift your left leg, you tilt your head down. You bring it out down also. And when you switch, you're going to bring your head up. So it's from down, you bring it up. So whenever you switch, you have to bring your head up. And when you step, okay, when you step 2 times, you're going to bring it down again. So you bring it down. And bring it down. So from the beginning, you look down, you bring it out, head is still down. And when you switch, you bring your head up and down, step, step. The same thing with the right. You bring your head down, your head is still down, and when you switch, you bring it up, and when you step again, step, you bring it down. One more time. It can be confusing, but with practice, we can make it perfect. So again, you tilt your head down, down, and when you switch, you bring it up, step, down, down. Then you bring it up, your head is down, you switch, your head is up, and you bring it down again. Okay, all together, one more time. We go up, down, switch, step, step, up, down, switch, step, step, step. Let's repeat from the beginning. So we slide, then look to the back, cross your arms, and fan yourself, fan yourself, fan yourself, and fan yourself. Then up, down, switch, step, step, up, down, switch, step, step, step. And then again, we're going to repeat this part, okay, one more time. When we slide, we look back, we fan ourselves, okay, this way. And instead of doing this, we're going to change this part. So after doing this, we're going to pose. I'm doing Megan's pose, where she puts her hands on top of our chest like this. Then step with the left, with the right, and with the left again. And pause one more time, hands at the back, and go back to our place. Okay, so we just pause, step with the left, right, left, pause one more time, and step back to our place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.